Hello, and welcome to the second episode in this Design to Web series. Today I'll be showing you how to get some pictures and helping bringing your what we created in the last video, your basic outline of your site, bringing it together into a more appealing look. So the main thing in a website, in my opinion, is the background. Now the background, some people could argue that it's not the main thing, but it is very important on how the background looks. If it's ugly, if it doesn't fit well, your website looks atrocious and no one will want to visit it. So now I have problems getting decent backgrounds for my websites, but when I have no idea what to do, I find a picture on Google and I just use that. Mostly I search for an abstract image and I use the picture I find. Let's go with this one. So I'll take this picture and I can't use the picture the way it is. I have to modify it somewhat so that it'll fit on my website. So I'll open it in Photoshop and now if you just put this into a website by itself, what browsers will do, they will repeat the image so that it fills in the entire blank space on the page. So what I'll do is I will take a portion of it, let's say about here, and I will copy that and then make a new image, but I will make sure that the width is twice the size of what I copied. So in this case it'll be 1616. Sorry, that is 18. And then I'll just click OK, paste it, drag it over, paste it again, and flip it horizontally. So now I have a symmetrical image that looks pretty good and will fit on my website. So I will save this picture into my site, and I'll name a folder called images from all my pictures, and then I'll just name this BG for background, and I'll make it a PNG file, and I'll click save and then OK. Okay, and then I'll open Dreamweaver, and here's the page we created yesterday, and I'll go into the styles.css, hit what we wrote down yesterday down a few notches, and then I'm just going to type in body and then an open curly bracket, and then I will go down to background image and hit browse, and then I'll go to my site folder, and there's the picture we just created. So I'll click choose, put a semicolon, and then I'm going to type in background position center and background attachment fixed, and also background repeat to repeat X, and then semicolon. Okay, and then I'll hit space again, put a closing curly bracket, save that. When I go into my design, I'll have my background. Now, this basically is just a giant picture with a few words in front of it. But don't worry, it'll look a lot better. And as you can see, when you go to the sides, you can tell that it's repeating, but because it's a perfectly symmetrical image, it's smooth and looks great. Now, if you don't want to use such a large image, you can search on the internet, or make your own if you can, a repeating pattern, so that there will be no visible lines on your page, and the background image will look good. So that's the image I'm using right now. And then for the header, I'm going to go back into Photoshop and then create a new file and make it the height. If you remember from last time, I made the header 150 pixels by 900. So in Photoshop, we're going to make this 900 by 150 with a transparent background. Make sure it's transparent, and click OK. And now I'm going to make a line. We're using the line tool. Move it over a bit. Move it down, and then I'll just click on the text button and I'll write in my text. So I'll write this test site 1, and you can make this text whatever you make this text whatever you wish. And there's our header. Anyways, then we'll save this in our folder. And make it a PNG file. Save, OK. And then go into Dreamweaver again, and we'll go down to the header menu, and we'll type in background image, hit browse, and put in header. And there's what we just made. You can delete the what the program has written for you. So we'll go preview this in Safari, and there you see we have our header on our page. And then I've rambled on here for a while. So in the next video, I'm just going to show you how to set up the rest of these menu, content, and footer areas. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.